Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for reporting about repair of normal hand pump in Karnataka. The link which I have highlighted now is also provided in the description below. If you click on that, this official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If you click on that, the list of language options for this procedure will be shown. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. Once you choose any particular language, this entire procedure will be changed into that language. This procedure can either be applied online or applied in person. For applying online, the applicant must click on the link over here to lead to the online application page. Here, enter the name, phone number, email, and type the message, which is the report you're about to give. Enter it in detail and click on the submit option. Once it is done, the procedure will be completed and you will be contacted by concerned authorities regarding the status of the report which you gave. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the allocated urban wealth supply and drainage board department of the district. The contact link over here has the details of all names, designation, division, location, office numbers, email ID, and office addresses. You can visit the one which is nearby you. Under the required documents section, you can find the documents needed for this procedure, such as ID proof, Aadhaar card, voter ID, PAN card, and ration card. These are needed only for the in person application. Under the office location and contact section, you can find the address and contact details of the Karnataka Urban Water Supply and Drainage Board along with the contact link. As per the eligibility, the any applicant can report about the repair of the hand pump if they are a resident of that mentioned area. As per the fee, there will be no fee needed for this procedure. As per the validity, the report is valid until this report is resolved. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any queries regarding this procedure, drop your queries down in the comment section below. Thank you.